Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura ENA Micro 9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to disassemble the entire machine, go to the side, pry these panels out, and then get into the brew unit. Once we got into the brew unit, we lubricate everything, replace the O-rings, and just give it a good service. Put it all back together, descale the machine, do a cleaning cycles, and then test it out. So right now we're going to be doing an espresso shot. We have our test coffee inside. We have the medium setting of the grinder as well. And now we're going to see the machine doing a shot. Now that was a little bit of pre-infusion, and here comes extraction. Steady stream coming out of the machine. A little bit of crema in there. Not looking that bad. We're using our test coffee again. And now we can do a cappuccino, that way we can test the steamer function of the machine, and we also be retesting the spouses again. So right now the machine is grinding the coffee to do the cappuccino. It's gonna get that thermal block up to temperature. Once it gets up to temperature, the water pump will pulse throughout the entire machine, and they will see steam coming out through there. We do not have the hose, unfortunately, for this machine, so we will not be able to siphon any liquid. But we're still gonna see the steam coming out of the spouts, and this is exactly what you wanna see when you don't have anything connected right here. Working good, really good temperature, excellent steam coming out of the spouts. Now we're retesting again the machine. It's going to extract the coffee, it's gonna do pre-infusion, and then gonna do the extraction, and much better extraction than the first one. Great flow. Excellent quantity for the cappuccino as well. And a little bit of crema on the top as well. Now we're going to be testing the hot water one. And as you can see, steady stream coming out of the one. Excellent temperature. Working great. So there you have it, Jura ENA working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.